out, you can make 40 horsepower. Proof's in the pudding. Hi guys, Fonzie here from Gm Motorsport Australia Speed. Today we've got a VE on and we've got lots of background noise, so I apologise. Yeah, basically at ST camshaft, Ramjet 3, Ramjet Headers, and we thought it'd be a good video to do a little bit of comparison on. So what we're going to do is show you this versus when we do heads as well. So let's get into it and we'll show you what our baseline is, and we'll show you on some other cars, and hopefully it's a bit of a good informative video of why you should or why you shouldn't do heads. Let's go. Okay, good result. That's pretty much what we would expect for the kilometre car. It come in for a lifter failure, I'm pretty sure. So the owner will be happy with that. He's going to get a car back that's got a lot more power and fixes the notorious lifter fail problems that we have in these cars. Okay, what we're going to do is compare some runs. And you'll see here, so obviously we're tuning away and we've got the white run, which is our current run. And we'll show you here. This one's interesting actually, it's a different header. So the same thing and the header, and that's basically just, yeah, Ramjet versus another brand header. And that's not even our good header, and you can see it actually made more torque down low and made more power everywhere, basically, and only met in the middle. So that's perfect. Let's just get rid of that one. So it's apples for apples now. That's our comparison. So now we just ran 322 kilowatts. That's this car with no CNC heads. Now here's a car that was running in and not even finished, which they sometimes make a lot more power, but that is apples for apples. Now that's just only different CNC heads. Now you can see down low, doesn't lose anything at all. People go, oh, you know, it'll lose power, everything else. There's nothing there, hasn't lost anything. But straight away, you know, down even 3,000 revs, yep, 3.8, 3.9, it's already making more power and torque. In fact, we'll go right back down to here. That's 3.5 grand. So from 3.5 grand, you are going to get a benefit, and you know, depending if you got a high stall, no high stall, this one hasn't. Anything after 3.5 grand, you 100% categorically have got a gain if you've done CNC heads. They do not lose power. They don't do anything other than benefit your car. Now we go to the top and we can see here 20 rear wheel kilowatts, 20 rear wheel kilowatts, 40 horsepower. Now this is the thing I like, and to debunk a myth. There's a lot of people that sell heads online, some with the name of Total Performance, and they love using a CFM figure, okay? Capable. Now that's not how you should advertise a head, because if you want to believe how they're advertising it with the aftermarket heads, Chinese heads, whatever they might be, and we're not knocking the Chinese heads, but we're knocking at how you're advertising it. So a standard LS square port head might flow, depending who's bench, 310 CFM, 315. So what they use is a calculation, and they go roughly, you know, 2 CFM, you know, per horsepower. So basically they're saying if it's 310, let's call it numbers, it should make 620 horsepower. So you know what, with this camshaft, overall, I'd estimate in the engine dyno, this probably makes 550. So by their statement, they're saying that you don't need any more heads, it flows enough. Now I'm here to debunk that. 40 horsepower, boys, at the crankshaft. So you can't always go by this CFM rule. Do you know what it is? It's a guide, mate. Just like a good efficiency engine. You know, you might make, some of these guys in pro stock now making 3 horsepower per cube. You know, amazing engines too. Some of these might be down to, you know, whatever it is in the 1 ranges. So you can't, it's a guideline, just a guideline. So what I'm trying to say here at the moment, I hear a lot of, you don't need to do the CNC heads on the square port, they're already too big. You know, I'll go along with some of it, but you can make the head work with the velocity. Is it already a big port? Yes, it is. But if you actually change the shapes and take bare minimum out, you can make 40 horsepower. Proof's in the pudding. So proof's in the pudding. Now, what happened with this car actually is I ran it up and I went, oh, a bit low on horsepower. And just because we do so much CNC head work, 90% of our packages are CNC heads and cam. Now, everyone has a choice why they didn't do it. Probably might have been money or whatever it might be. We're not knocking anyone. But if you can afford it and it's not much money, and this is like sometimes it blows me away, I go, when I saw the results and we only had that other car from Brett Nidry and Holden in that we went, oh, okay, it was a perfect car to overlay. Same for, like for like, was just cylinder heads difference. So what I'm going to show you, what is our price, Bastion? $15.95 for CNC heads or $16.95?
$16.90.
Yep, $16.90. Going to show you here is it's not just about a CNC port. What you get, okay? Forget about just the flashy front and they look great. You get a machine deck, okay? You get it's D-bird. What you get here is a 5-angle valve job and a radius job. And it's done on only a handful of machines in Australia called a Newen, okay? If you haven't got one, you're not fast. Sorry. The major head guys, not all your CNC head guys, they have got a Newen. You ain't got a Newen, don't care, you're not fast. You can have your cutters and everything else, you can get close. The amount of time someone would have to take with the right stones cutters would take so long, it would not be worth $16.95 as a whole head. It would be $16.95 for just to do the valve job. So you get the complete valve job. Then you get, as you can see in here, CNC ports. You can see right through. Hello. Okay, so another one is, well, look at this head here. Might need a better light. It's actually not touched everywhere. Actually, come in here. You can see that. Okay, through there, we're not touched. It's already big enough, okay? There's areas in this port that are not touched. That is perfectly fine. That's another debunk. We don't have to have the head perfectly CNC'd, patterns everywhere. If it has casting left there, it is already big enough in that spot. So this is what you get. Like guys, when you just do the normal cam package, that's probably your condition, your head. So for that $16.95, you get a lot. Your head is completely cleaned, okay? Which honestly is hundreds of dollars to actually do that. The surface is then machined, your valve seats are done, okay? It's then CNC ported, and you get this beautiful piece. You can see the exhaust ports ready to go. Then you get 40 horsepower. So guys, if you can afford it, honestly, after looking at that to that, what are you gonna do? You're already that far deep into it. For an extra $1,600, you're far better off, especially if you're pulling the heads for the lifter problem. You should probably do this because it's the way to go. Guys, if you're around Australia, we sell these heads. We are gangbusters. We have a machine that does 4 heads at once. We can keep up with stock. We are flat out with heads. We're now doing so many shops. We do private labels, so you'll see we might have a mark on the back, but the front could be a certain shop. I'm not going to tell people what they are. That's up to them, guys. So if you are a workshop and looking to get involved, we can do it. We have plenty of dealers around, and if you're interested in becoming a dealer, that's great. It doesn't have to have the GM Motorsport logo front and center. You can have your own shop logo on and get it done. You're just going to get that honest GM Motorsport performance. You can even use your own camshaft if you want. So guys, that's enough for now. That's a tech wrap. Hope it made sense. That's why I like to show you the visuals and to show you that. Give us a hoy, give us a like, thumbs up, or even tell us what you want to see within reason. We might be able to show you, some informative stuff, how it can be done. And for the record, it's tied up exactly the same tension, same everything else. So we like to keep apples for apples. We're not just trying to spruik our product. Sorry about the noise. We're actually trying to tell you, don't miss out on it. Thanks, guys.